Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the GOOLOO brand. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This is their jump starter power bank. Now, first thing I'm going to talk about is the outside case. Very nice quality. It's got a very nice leather feeling to it with a velcroized handle, and it's going to hold everything inside there, and it has a really nice oversized zipper. Well, let's take a look. Let's open it up. It's the first time I'm looking at it here. So everything's all nicely organized. Looks like there's an instruction booklet right here talking about how to set this up and making sure that you're happy with your purchase from the manufacturer, and everything is all organized in here. Very nice. So you want to put this all back the same way you get it so they can keep it all nice and organized. So the first thing I see here is I see a USB port connection, micro USB to micro USB, and we're going to figure out what that's all for, and the unit itself. And then I've got the cables, the jumper cable portion of the safety box, and on this side right here has a UL rated and ETL rated. Those are two of the biggest safety test labs in the United States. That's really good. And the unit itself, let's take a look at it. Take the plastic off. Very nice looking unit, and I see that some of the LEDs came on because I hit the power button right there. Very nice. Now let's go over some of the specs of this, then we're going to define all these different elements on here. This has 1800 milliamp hours of capacity, and it'll produce 800 peak amps on its output to your battery. This will work with any 12 volt battery system, car or a truck. Has to be 12 volts though. It will jump start up to a 7-liter gas car or a 5.5 liter truck. So basically that's most of the trucks out there, most of the cars out there. It has a 12 volt available power pack at 10 amps, and that's one of the things right here. You can see right here it has an output of 12 volts at 10 amps right there. The input is 15 volts at 1 amp. That's what's going to supply the input to this. And the output right here, it has two USB ports, has a 2.1 amp, and then it has a quick charge 2.4 amp right here. It will work with it. Also has a little flashlight on here. There's a little flashlight button, and that flashlight has regular light, and it has blinking, and then it has SOS on there. Then you hold it down to turn it off. And that's nice so that you have light if you're in an emergency situation, you have to use this device. Now you can see on the side here, right by the LED, there is your main output port right there, and that's where we're going to put the jump start cables. We're going to demonstrate that on my car. Now some of the other features in here, to charge this, it takes 5 hours, and we're going to do that, and it'll stay charged in your car for up to 3 months. So you don't have to worry about charging it. And that's nice having it in the winter, so you bring it in the house and you charge it every 3 months. So I mentioned the ports on there, and it has something called multiple advanced protection circuitry on this jump starting system right here. So here's your jump starting cables, and here's your jump starter circuitry. This plugs into the box right here. We're going to open this up to show you, just like this, and it only goes one way, just like that. And then on here it tells you if it's reversed, if it's correct, and there's even a boost button on here. So what this has is it has protection for overcurrent, overload, overvoltage, overcharging, and also high temperature. Now the company provides a 30-day money-back guarantee on this product, and they also provide 12 plus 6-month warranty, so that you're fully covered for that much time. Also includes, you can see the 12 volt adapter that allows you to charge this with your cigarette lighter in your car if you choose to do that. So this power supply is providing the input charging just like this. This is 12 volts from your cigarette lighter, and this is over 12 volts, more like 15 volts to charge the device. That's the first thing we're going to do. So I'm going to plug the included charger into 115 volts, and I have the other end plugged into where it says input 15 volts 1 amp, and you can see that there is some status LEDs right there, and you can see that last one is blinking right there, and when that finishes blinking and they all become solid, then you know it's fully charged. So we're going to let this charge and we're going to give it a test on my vehicle. So the process to use this to jumpstart your car according to the manual says make sure it's over 60% charged. So when you turn this on, you do get that indicator right there. So right now it's showing 4. So you got to make sure that there's 3 LEDs lit at least before you jumpstart your car. If not, you just put it on the charger. You turn the unit on and you connect the red clamps to the plus end of the battery and the minus to the minus. And you then plug this in. As I showed you, plug this right into the port on here, and it only goes one way, just like that. Now the jumper cable right here has some status LEDs on there, and it should come back with a green that everything is correct. If the jumper cable indicator does not turn green, turn on the car headlight and wait till the indicator turns green. Now they're probably having you do that because they want to have the battery discharged a little bit. Unplug the jumper cables from the jump starter within 30 seconds and remove the clamps for your car battery. So what that means is that when you connect this to your car battery, you're going to get a green LED, and then this is already charging your battery and sending energy from this battery through the system to your car battery. And then once your car starts, you can remove this. They typically say 30 seconds. So we're going to give this a try. We're going to show how you hook it up to your car, how simple it is to jumpstart your car. So here I have my car. Here's the main battery. See, it's got plus label. We're going to take the cover off there, and there is the minus. So here's the unit itself. I'm going to first connect the unit to the battery. Plus, red on the plus, there on the minus. I'm going to plug this in, just like that. I'm going to power this up. And I've got all the LEDs coming on because it's fully charged. And you see it has the green LED right there. And that's it. Now you could start your car because the energy is flowing through there and charging a discharged battery. It's just that simple. So what's my overall opinion about the GOOLOO Jump Starter Power Bank? This is a very nice package. The container it comes in is very nice. The safety features on the jumper, the quality of these jumper cables is very nice quality. The unit itself is not that heavy and very functional. Quick charge, normal charge for your mobile phone, LED light. Additional output port if you want to have 12 volts. You tap off of that. Input charge right there with the included power supply or the car cigarette lighter adapter. Very nice. As I demonstrated, this works. Very simple to set up on your car. All the safety features it has. You can't go wrong with this product. It's a very good value, very good quality product. So I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.